Hello everyone, welcome to all the series of lectures on the fluid mechanics. Till now we are discuss about some topics on the fluid mechanics. This is D. Umabai, Teaching Associate, Polytechnic of Agriculture Engineering at Kalkiri. Today we are going to discuss about the topic is what are the notches, their classifications and what are the Ditcher's formula for the notches for the different types. So first let's discuss about the notches. So let's go into definition of the notches. What is meant by notch? Actually, we all see that in real life and around the surroundings of we see different types of the notches in the field, in regular in the field, in the regular near to the canals, channels, and near to the small streams. We see the notches. So, what is actual notch means? Notch is nothing but it is a small opening provided in the channel or streams to for the purpose of pumping water from one side to another side. In order to find out what is the actual discharge at that section at particular section. So the main purpose of the notch is to transfer the water from one side to other side. That means upstream side to downstream side, and also calculate the rate of flow or discharge at that particular section. So let's go into different types of notches will be there according to the shape. And see the figure, the basic shape, that is the rectangular shape. Let's so see the diagram. This is the basic shape of the rectangular. So this is opening, whatever rectangular opening will be there is called as notch. This is the metallic plate. This is actually metallic plate, or sometimes in surroundings we will see this the masonry structure also. But most cases this will be the metallic plate only for the small stream. So this is rectangular opening. So what happened here will be, there will be some height will be there. This is the actual data line of the stream. This is the actual ground floor or subground of the floor, and whatever the water will be on the either side of the notch, whatever the up to notch up to reaching this height, whatever the height h will be, the water will be stored at notch only. That does not coming to the downstream side. So whenever this height, whatever the height here will be there, after reaching the height, the water which is present on the upstream side to coming to flow over the downstream side. That means they are coming to this side, so they are coming to the upstream side to downstream side. So if you want to find out the whatever the discharge passing from this section, actually this is the total stream. So whatever at particular section, the discharge at the particular section, if we want to calculate we need what is the type of the notch, their dimensions and their discharge formulas. Whatever the notch will be there, we have to take that coefficient of discharge of the notch type, and then by substituting these values in the particular discharge equation, we can also calculate the discharge at that particular type of the section. So let's note down the definition of the notch is nothing but a opening provided inside of a tank or vessel or reservoir such that water level on the upstream side to the water below the free surface top surface of the notch. So what is the actual top surface of the notch means this is the top surface of the notch up to reaching this height whatever water will be upstream side to they are not coming to the downstream side. After reaching this side height only they are coming to the downstream side till there whatever the water level will be there on the upstream side and they are below the top edge only. This opening is called notch. So this is the actual definition of the notch. So this is the rectangular notch. Let's see this rectangular notch. Here water will be there. So this is the length L, height H. This is the horizontal, dy is the horizontal strip of the water thickness. Where the discharge through a weir or notch is related to the depth is known as the head. Next, coming to the triangular or V-type or 90 degrees notch. This is nothing but V-notch or triangular notch. V-notch we call based upon its look like a shape of V. That's why whatever the opening will be there, the opening looks like a shape of a letter V. That's why we called it as V-notch and also it is a triangular shape. That's why it is called triangular notch. In this triangular notch, what is the main thing we have considered in the angle, in the some angle will be there. Whatever the angle will be there, we have to consider that angle while calculating the discharge. So this is the total having theta, where theta may be varied according to the channel width. It may 30 degrees or 60 degrees or 90 degrees. So we have to calculate the angle. We have to consider that angle when we are calculating the discharge. So this is the second type of notch, V notch or triangular notch, and there will be two more types of the notches are there. This is the third one is trapezoidal or cyprioidal notch. So this is the trapezoidal notch. So this is trapezoidal shape. This is actually opening will be there, but what happening? What is main advantage of trapezoidal notch came means it is a combination of rectangular and triangular notch. That is triangular notch. So let's see, observe up to the shape, whatever this opening will be there, it is of triangular notch. And on the sides of the triangular notch and rectangular notch, there will be some more opening will be there. This is nothing but a theta by 2 and this is theta by 2. So by combining these two theta by 2 portions, that is coming an angle of theta, which is nothing but again V notch. It is equation to the V notch. That means trapezoidal notch is nothing but summation of triangular notch and rectangular notch. So it is the summation of one part of the rectangular notch and one part of the triangular notch. What is the main advantage of trapezoidal notch is, it is by having the extra portion of the triangular notch, it is observing more discharge when compared to the rectangular or triangular notch, because of having the triangular portion. Trapezoidal notch absorbing more discharge, so this is the trapezoidal notch. So let's coming to discharge equation of the trapezoidal notch. So we already known the trapezoidal notch, combination of triangular and rectangular notch. So if you want to get the discharge equation for the trapezoidal notch, we write down the discharge equation of the rectangular and triangular notch. Till now completed the three types of notches. Now going to fourth type of the notches, that is nothing but the step notch. Fourth type of the notch is stepped notch, where discharge notches nothing but the combination of number of rectangular notches. How many steps will be there? That much of rectangular notch will be there. So when we are writing down the discharge equation, we have to consider the each step. For each step we have to write down the discharge, each step, the discharge equation for rectangular notches. So after all that, by adding all those steps, we get the total discharge equation for the steps notch. Let's see by the diagram. This is the step 1, step 2, step 3. Until here, what will be there? This is the length of L1 notch, rectangular notch. This is the length of the notch 2. This is the length of the notch 3. And from water surface to bottom of the step 1, whatever will be height is H1 will be there. That is represented by H1. From the water surface to from bottom of the strip is H2. This is H2. And this is the bottom of the H2, last is H3. This is one rectangular. So for each and every rectangular we have to write down the discharge equation. After that, by adding all those, then we get the total discharge for the stepped notch. That is total discharge equal to total discharge Q equal to total discharge Q1 plus total discharge Q2 plus total discharge notches Q3. So already discussed about that class orifices and their classifications. There both are difference between the orifices and notches. Coming to the orifice, an orifice may be defined as opening provided in the side or bottom of a tank or vessel that the liquid flows through entire orifice. Next, coming to the notch, a notch may be defined as an opening provided in the side of tank or vessel such that the liquid surface in tank is below the top edge of opening. Thank you.